AIMIM चीफ असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने मोदी सरकार को धमकी दे डाली। जी हाँ, वक़्फ़ मामले पर ओवैसी ने केंद्र सरकार को चेतावनी दी और कहा कि मैं इस सरकार से सावधान करते हुए और चेतावनी दे रहा हूं कि अगर आप मौजूदा स्वरूप में वक़्फ़ कानून को लाते हैं तो ये अनुच्छेद 25, 26 और 14 का उल्लंघन होगा। इससे इस देश में सामाजिक अस्थिरता पैदा होगी। और उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि 1 इंच मस्जिद या 1 इंच दरगाह का भी नहीं देंगे, पूरी मस्जिद की तो बात छोड़ें। और एज अ मुस्लिम इसको हमारी कम्युनिटी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगी। अब आप, उन्होंने आगे भी बहुत कुछ कहा, अब आप उनका स्पीच सुनिए।
I am cautioning and warning this government. I am cautioning and warning this government. If you bring and make a WAF law in the present form, which will be violation of Article 25, 26 and 14, it will lead to social instability in this country. It had been rejected by the entire Muslim community. No WAF property will be left. Nothing will be left, I say. You want to make India Viksit Bharat? We want Viksit Bharat. You want this country to take back into 80s and early 90s? It will be your responsibility. Because as a proud Indian Muslim, I will not lose an inch of my masjid. Forget about a masjid. I will not lose an inch of my dargah. I will not allow that. We will no more say and come and give a diplomatic talk over here. This is the house which I have to stand up and say honestly that my community, which you are proud Indians, it is my property, not given by anyone. You cannot snatch it away from me. Waqf is a form of a worship.
में असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने युद्ध की प्रॉब्लम को भी सामने बताया। उन्होंने कहा कि मुंबई एयरपोर्ट पे 1800 वैकेंसी निकली, जिसका इंटरव्यू देने 18,000 ग्रेजुएट गए। 18,000 ग्रेजुएट। उन्होंने बोला कि ऑयल एंड गैस की रेवेन्यू डबल है, बट वहां पे फिर भी पास्ट ईयर 15,000 जॉब लॉस हुई और गवर्नमेंट फेल हो गई है युद्ध को जॉब देने में, युद्ध के लिए काम करने में। गवर्नमेंट सक्षम नहीं है, वो फेल हो गई है युद्ध के लिए। बेरोजगारी बहुत बढ़ रही है। उन्होंने क्या क्या कहा, आप आगे सुनिए।
Sir, unemployment, youth unemployment has increased to 45%. I'll give you example, sir. Mumbai airport, for 1,800 jobs, 15,000 graduates turned up, sir. 15,000 graduates. I must congratulate the Prime Minister. Sir, in Bihar and UP, you see train stations overflow with aspirants every time there's an exam for government. In public sector, oil and gas sector, sir, 15,700 jobs lost, even though their revenue doubled. Central PSUs eliminated 2.7 lakh jobs over past decade. MSMEs, sir, in April, August 2024 on 11,500 MSMEs would have been shut down. Manufacturing employment fell from 12.6 in 11-12 to 11.4 in 22-23. Sir, in conclusion, what is the government showing us? And I really feel pity for the allies of NDA. Despite they are 240, they are irrelevant now. I mean, you can take something here and there, but what about the country at large? What about the youth of this country, which the only nation in the world which has a demographic dividend is India? And this government has failed to uplift the youth. That is why I on the grounds which I have submitted, I oppose this.
ओवैसी ने मुस्तफाबाद, ओखला, दिल्ली की भी समस्याएं बताई सांसद में। उन्होंने कहा कि ऐसा क्यों होता है कि मुस्लिम एरिया में ही जितना कचरा रहता है, आपके पास बहुत कचरा इकट्ठा होता है और आप कहां जाके फेंकते हो, जहां मुस्लिम एरिया हो। ऐसा क्यों? सिर्फ इसलिए कि वो मुस्लिम इलाका है, इसकी वजह से। आए आगे देखें और असदुद्दीन ओवैसी ने क्या कहा सांसद में।
This PMVJK scheme, come to Mustafabad and Okhla and see. You have Mount Everest of garbage which is being dumped right inside a Muslim area. Why? Because it's a Muslim area. And then you have this person who was given birth politically through surrogacy by an institute which has an allegiance to a person who wrote "We Are a Nation Undefined" and bunch of thoughts. That person day in day out lies. He lies. His whole start point and end is lies only. But what I'm hearing from the ground, which I've seen, a pure organic Muslim leadership will emerge on Wednesday, sir.